Hello, I'm Josh Ton with IPVideo Corporation. Today, I'd like to show you one of our award-winning products, the ViewScan Weapons Detection System, and demonstrate true concealed item detection. Recently, the ViewScan was awarded Best in Category for Anti-Terrorism and Force Protection at the 2019 Security Industry Association Conference in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it's something as a company that we're very proud and honored to have received. First, I'd like to point out that I've tried to dress and mimic normal day-to-day attire. A pair of jeans, a button-up shirt, casual dress shoes I have on my belt. And because we're talking about concealed item detection, I've also added an overcoat. With that, I'd like to tell you that I've complied. I've removed my normal items such as my watch, my cell phone, my wallet. And I'm going to walk through still in the overcoat with my belt on, shoes on, and demonstrate a clean scan. Background stayed blue, no items were detected, and there was no audible warning signaling a clean scan. Now I'd like to take you through a few different threat items that might enter your facility. First, I have a normal pocket knife that gets carried every day. That's about a 3.5-inch blade, and I'm going to go ahead and just conceal that in my pocket where it would normally sit on a person. It's covered by the overcoat. You heard the audible alarm signaling around my pocket, and at 2.5 to 3 feet off the ground, it's finding an item. I'll use the same pocket knife and conceal it inside the breast pocket of my jacket. Immediately pinpoints on the left side of my jacket around 2.5 to 3 feet off the ground. I have a 9mm subcompact semi-automatic pistol. I'm going to conceal that also inside the left breast pocket of my jacket. Warning. 3.5 to 4 feet off the ground. It's immediately pinpointing and showing you where that weapon is. I'm going to use the same threat item and conceal it in my back right pocket of my jeans. Covered by my overcoat. 2.5 to 3 feet on my right side pocket area. It's immediately pinpointing where that weapon is. I have a very small vaping device. It's about the size of a business card, maybe just a little bit thicker. I'm going to conceal that inside of my jacket. Immediately pinpointing in the pocket area of my jacket at about 3.5 to 4 feet off the ground, it's finding that item. Now something much smaller. I have a very small box cutter blade. It is wrapped in tape for safety's sake. And I'm going to actually use this a couple of different times. First, I'm going to conceal it down in my shoe. It's saying basically a 1/2 foot off the ground on my left side, it's finding that razor blade. When you're talking true concealed item detection, obviously you're worried about any sort of concealment. The ViewScan sees through the body. Obviously it sees through the clothing. But with that, I'm going to put the razor blade in my mouth and show you just how well the ViewScan detects concealed items. As you can see, the target right on my face at about 5.5 to 6 feet off the ground. So it's very accurate when it comes to concealed item detection. This product is something that we're very proud of, and we feel that any facility that is looking to secure their entry points should certainly take a look at this product. I know that a lot of you in the security and law enforcement industry are aware that certain Glock, Smith & Wesson, and Ruger semi-automatic handguns are sometimes very difficult to detect. So what I've done is I've broken down the 9mm handgun that I used earlier down just to the polymer grip. No magazine, no slide, no spring. Hopefully you can see that there's a very small metallic signature inside just the polymer grip. And with that, I'll conceal just the grip inside my jacket. As you can see, it pinpointed right where the grip of the weapon was, approximately 3.5 to 4 feet off the ground on my left side. I'll also conceal it in a different location, placing the item in my back left pocket. Left side pocket area, approximately 2.5 to 3 feet off the ground. It's locating this item.